Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your Class 9 half-yearly exam step by step. First, get a clear picture of your syllabus and the exam format. This helps you know exactly what to prepare for. Next, build a study schedule that fits your daily routine, allocating specific times for each subject. Finally, identify which topics are most important or challenging and focus your efforts there first. This structured approach will make your preparation much more effective. Now let's talk about how to study smarter. Don't just passively read, actively test yourself on what you've learned. This technique, called active recall, significantly boosts retention. For subjects with many interconnected ideas, try creating mind maps or flowcharts to visualize information. And crucially, make sure to solve past exam papers. This familiarizes you with the question types and helps manage your time during the actual exam. It's a powerful way to solidify your understanding. Hey everyone, if you're finding these study tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Quick recommendation. While you're busy studying, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleaning. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your study space spotless without any effort from you. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. As your exams approach, consistent revision is key. Set aside time each day to review all your subjects, reinforcing what you've studied. Remember, your well-being is just as important as your study time. Take short, frequent breaks to clear your mind and prevent fatigue. And don't forget the basics. A balanced diet and enough sleep are crucial for optimal brain function. A healthy body supports a healthy mind, helping you perform your best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.